the way we understand their lives are busy, people have very little time to really travel, go to a formal clinic, get themselves evaluated. We realized that what would be interesting is to have hair fall arrest programs at your doorstep, and that is something that we are working at the moment to put together so that many people benefit from this program. Yeah, so that's going to be our second initiative, and in terms of innovation, I think this will definitely give a lot of people a lot of relief, where they can actually manage the hair loss sitting at home. For more information, obviously you can come back to us and we will guide you with what can be done to help you with this treatment at your doorstep.